Great nation. So let me introduce our group to you. We are Jampur from Dubai, the Dubai-based group, and we are working more than 40 countries across the world, and we are working almost in every African country with our liaison offices or with our projects going on, and we are working in the agriculture sectors very well. The group is a diversified group working in starting from shipping, power, agriculture, electronics. You can say if we talk about the power, right now we have many power plants working in Nigeria also, and we have a big shipping capacity to bring and transfer the commodities from one continent to the other continent. And the same type, we have a large trading zones to establish a trading zone to transit the materials and commodities across the world. So this is the basic introduction of the group. Now let me introduce our intentions to undertake this project of poultry, especially the Kala Chica. I got some figures from the FAO group and some United Nations studies, and also the Agriculture Ministry, Federal Agriculture Ministry. The average current consumption of the poultry meat here in Nigeria is very low. Right now it is around 2.5 kg per annum per capita here in Nigeria, while some of the countries here in Africa, it is around 30 to 35 kg of per capita per annum. So this is a huge gap beside from the big opportunity for the farmers, because there is two concepts. One is the availability of the meat, and the second is affordability of the meat. If we talk about the availability of the meat, so still there is a large gap between the production and the consumption right now. But the figure shows that the demand is around 500,000 tons of meat per annum according to this proposition, and only 30% meat is being produced here in Nigeria in current situations. So still there is a need to improve 70% of this meat production industry, which you can cover from the poultry farming. And on the other side, if you can benchmark the other African countries, which they've been consumed around 30 to 35 kg per capita per annum, so then the Nigerian population is around touching 200 millions of people. So this proposition shows that you need over 6 million tons of meat per annum in the coming 4 to 5 years. So based on this proposition, so there is a potential of growth more than 600%. For example, if a farmer is growing right now 1,000 birds farm, so he has to go up to 6,000 birds per cycle for this farm improvement. So there is a huge potential to improve the poultry industry here in Nigeria, and thanks to His Excellency the Governor of Cross River State, he is a man of industrialization. He has a vision, and he has established a lot of sources to bring the industrialization here in the country, and especially in the Cross River State. So based on the existing facilities, so we have the hatchery processing facility here, which is now under installation and under construction. Beside this one, we have the bird farming, but we mainly want to rely on the local farmers. And the other side, we have the chicken feed industry also here in Kalapar. Plus, you all know that the Kala Chica has already started the operation, which can go up to 20 to 25,000 birds per day. So this is a substantial quantity to support the local farmers. So based on these prospects, our group now take the initiative to support the farmers and to bring the sustainability of this poultry cycle business. For this business cycle, the role of the Jampur is very vital, because in the poultry industry there are normally 6 to 7 stakeholders in the line. The first line stakeholder are the raw material growers, which we call the basic farmers who will grow the corn, soya and the other commodities. They have a right to make money. And then there is the chicken producer, which the people are sitting in front of me. So they have the right to make money. Then the processor like the Kala Chika, they have the right to make money. And on the other side, the distributors and the retailer have the right to make money. And all above, the consumer has a right to take the chicken at affordable prices. If we talk about the other countries like in Asia and even in Europe, the prices of the chicken here in Nigeria is almost 3 times higher, 3 times more expensive chicken as compared to the other countries, which is alarming. So this need to be settled down. What are the problems and where is the improvement opportunities to cut this price down, so that we will be able end of the day that every Nigerian has this right to eat a chicken in a year in a substantial quantity. So based on these facts and figures, so Jampur Group has taken this step into this poultry industry in Nigeria to bring the availability, affordability and sustainability. So in this case, the role of the chicken growers is very vital. So we want the win-win situation for all these 6 and 7 stakeholders. So how all these 6 and 7 stakeholders can get benefit from it on long-term basis. So we will share some of the fact figures which we have by our experience and by getting some information from the local sources and the international practices. We will share with you how we will bring the sustainability through win-win situation. For this purpose, the technical manager, Mr. Zia, will brief you technically that what are the factors to reduce the prices, to bring the sustainability and to grow more chicken. Because here is in Nigeria, the potential of the poultry industry is very encouraging. Is very encouraging, subject to the cooperation and collaboration between the stakeholders. If each stakeholder would consider that he has only the right to grow and make money, then this industry will not be sustainable. So there are some responsibilities from the state side, from the federal government side, which we already taken with the state governments and with the federal governments, to bring some regulations, some laws that we could be able to bring some benchmark prices to stable this industry in whole Nigeria. And let me tell you, if we will be able to implement this plan through appeals project, the sustainability is guaranteed and you will be the people who will set the trend and the prices and the condition for whole Nigerian poultry market. So this way your contribution will be very vital to sit down, to discuss and to bring with your thoughts and to share with us, so that we can bring sustainability, availability and affordability, so that we can be able to increase the consumer of the chicken and poultry products. So thank you very much, and Mr. Zia will now give you the brief on the technicalities and bird farming and how we can get the better yield and how you can control your cost and how we can bring this profitability and sharing at the win-win situation. Thank you very much.